Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital forms of money that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. What's more, it is understandably Ethereum is one of the most component-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being an inconceivably inventive innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for venture. Not at all like little altcoins, it has to a lesser extent an opportunity to fail spectacularly. However, it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to conjecture how Ethereum's cost might act from now on. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that because of the unusual and unstable nature of the digital money market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be thought about while considering other factors. This video doesn't comprise speculation counsel. What is Ethereum? The most ideal way to improve as a financial backer, gain by your underlying venture, and increment your benefit is to more deeply study the resource you're working with. While digital money costs, in contrast to those of customary resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend significantly less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend here and there on what the coin token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability unexpectedly turns out to be particularly popular. As a renowned and well-known digital money, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. The vast majority have caught wind of its association with savvy contracts, NFTs, and DeFi. In any case, that is not entirely there is to that coin, since Ether brings considerably more to the table. Quite possibly of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to defeat soon is its consistently rising exchange charges, or, as they're required this specific organization, gas expenses. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas expenses become, making the coin's developing ubiquity a blade that cuts both ways. Increasingly more digital forms of money with comparative functionalities, however less expensive exchange costs and higher throughput, as Solana, Sol, keep on rising. This issue has existed in the Ethereum network for a long while, and numerous crypto fans expected an improvement with the digital currency's change from the evidence of work agreement system to another exchange check calculation. Be that as it may, the progress to the verification of stake calculation has not altogether impacted the expense of commissions. One of Ethereum's greatest assets is its assortment of purpose cases, and the rundown continues to develop consistently. However long the coins group keeps on fostering the blockchain and present new creative elements, as well as really executing all that they've guaranteed, Ethereum will probably proceed to develop and succeed. Decentralized applications, or dApps for short, are PC applications that sudden spike in demand for different decentralized frameworks. The Ethereum blockchain is the most well-known stage for dApp sending. There are as of now many dApps on Ethereum, and they cover a large number of administrations from games to venture. The consolidation, previously Ethereum 2.0, last year the Ethereum blockchain, which drives the majority of the crypto business, finished the long-guaranteed and frequently deferred union, a specialized change in the manner in which it capabilities. The send-off of the union, recently named Ethereum 2.0, was likely one of the most expected occasions in the crypto business. The change nearly everybody was amped up for was the change from the confirmation of work agreement system to the evidence of stake 1. This arrangement was planned to eliminate perhaps of the greatest issue the overall population has with crypto: how unreasonable it is. Also, ETH 2.0 was intended to assist with taking care of the adaptability issue that the Ethereum network has been confronting. As of the present moment, Ethereum utilizes a calculation that picks another block maker haphazardly. The competitor is picked from among the people who have marked their Ether, the local coin of the Ethereum blockchain, in return for the chance to play out the work and get installment for it. One's possibilities being chosen to construct the new block increment with how much Ether they stake. The whole motivation behind a blockchain with an agreement system is to stay away from the requirement for unified brokers to approve exchanges. Without genuine decentralization, one should address whether Ethereum's different issues are worth the effort. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Ethereum will be $1,985.82. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,435.88. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2,048.64. Likely return for capital invested, 56.3% by ETH value estimate for WAC 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Ethereum toward the start of 2023, Crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,648.76 in WOC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,491.73 and at $1,695.86 separately. Expected return for money invested, 8.8% by April 2023. Ethereum value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ETH cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1,618.92, while the most extreme could reach $1,778.29 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,681.72. Likely return for capital invested, 14.1% by ETH value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value vacillations of Ethereum in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ETH rate they anticipate may be around $1,715.36 in May 2023. It can drop to $1,652.55 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1,845.57. Expected return for money invested, 18.5% by June 2023. Ethereum value figure around mid-year 2023. The ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,749.67 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $1,914.18. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1,671.15 in June 2023. Possible return for capital invested, 22.9% by ETH value conjecture for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Ethereum costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023. $1,802.16. The most minimal and top ETH rates may be $1,723.65 and $1,984.16. Possible return for money invested, 27.3% by August 2023. Ethereum value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ETH cost will be around $1,838.21. In August 2023, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $1,775.39. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,074.27 in August 2023. Possible return for money invested, 33.1% by ETH value estimate for September 2023. Having broke down Ethereum costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,100.